Today's video is all about Olaplex. This is Olaplex. As I told you in my last hair wash video, I had severe protein overload, and I tried the Carol's Daughter Rosul Clay. That have given me a lot of help. So now I'm going to try Olaplex. I heard a lot about Olaplex, and today I want to try to see. My hair has come a long way, but it still needs more TLC. The Olaplex, it says take home olaplex.com. I bought mine at Sephora. They say the original Olaplex hair perfector, number 3, repairs and strengthens all hair types. It's 3.3 fluid ounces. Also, it says use before shampooing, and on the line it's not a conditioner, it is a bond builder. Directions of use: use once per week. And if you have for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel, dry hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair, shampoo and condition as usual. For more information, go to olaplex.com. Again, this is what it looks like. It's a little bottle. First I'm using Olaplex, so we will do it together. I'm going to wet my hair and then I will apply it. And after I apply it, I am going to head out, go do my errands. So I'm going to put a plastic cap on, tie my hair up in with a scarf, go do all my errands, and when I come back I will rinse it off. Stay tuned. Okay, now my hair is all wet, so we're gonna try this thing. Comes sealed like this. Okay. It's not too thick and it's not too light. I'm combing it through to make sure everything has it on it. If this thing works, I will be using it every wash day. It said this is not, the Olaplex says it's not a protein treatment. It is not a protein treatment. It's just something to help strengthen and repair damaged hair, or to keep hair you already have that's doing good better. Just add a little bit more. I like extra. A little bit more extra doesn't hurt. I am so, feels smooth. This feels very smooth, slippery on my hair. Just had my hair trimmed a couple days ago. And now I am going to cover my hair with this. Now I'm covering my hair with this shower cap. Plastic shower cap. I want to be able to hear. Okay, shower cap is on. I'm putting a second shower cap for good measure. And then I take my scarf and I tie my hair. No, I don't need this towel. Tie my scarf. I did not use a lot. It's still all the way up here. So now Olaplex is in my hair, shower cap is over it, scarf is on. I am going to do my errands, and then when I return I will shampoo it off, and then I'll come back and show you the results. See you soon. I'm getting ready to go wash off the Olaplex off my hair. My hair feels really nice and soft. This is what my hair looked like with it after 10 o'clock this morning, and now it's 6 o'clock. It's 6 p.m. So I'm going to shampoo it off, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. This is what the hair feels like after washing off the Olaplex, and then I shampoo it with the Cream of Nature moisturizing shampoo. I'm gonna do a conditioner, rinse it off, dry it, and then I'll come back and tell the final results. But so far so good. Feels nice, it feels soft. So I'll be back soon. I'm back, and as you can see, the results came out really nice. My hair is soft and nice. That's my hair. Really nice. I love it. I really will include Olaplex into my wash day regimen. I use the Herbal Essence Deep Moisture Halo Hydration Conditioner, and I use the Iron Wellness Leave-In Conditioner. And before I use the curling iron, I use the Icy Fantasia Heat Protector Straightening Spray. And the results came out really nice. The hair came out beautiful. I love it. Back side, really nice. So Olaplex, I love it. I will use it again. If you haven't tried it, you should give it a try. I still have a lot more left in the bottle. I used from here to there. I can still do maybe 2 or 3 more. I should be able to do 3 more with this. Really nice. I must say, I like it. I love it. My hair feels like it's coming back to life. Thank you again for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. And remember, self is important. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Peace. Love it, love it, love it.